When is bail a matter of right? Bail is a matter of right for those charged with an offense that is not a capital or offense or punishable by reclusion perpetua or life imprisonment. This applies before final conviction, provided by the evidence of guilt is not strong in cases where the bail is discretionary. Number 2. When is bail a matter of discretion? Bail is a matter of discretion when the offense charge is punishable by death penalty, reclusion perpetua, or life imprisonment, and if the evidence of the guilt is strong. Number 3, when is bail not allowed? Bail is not allowed when bail can be negated by circumstances like the probability of the accused fleeing, posing a risk to public safety, or having a history of similar offense.